Hi guys, my name is Chris and welcome back to our travel adventure series episode. And in this video, we are going to feature the Cragside House. I already made a content about this one pero ibang atake yung ginawa ko dahil sa Reels and YouTube Shorts lang siya. Today, we are going to deep dive of what's inside into this house. Just to keep us on track, this is feature 229 out of 1,000 pledges here in Northumberland, England. Tama ba yung pagkasabi ko? Mahirap naman. So, we are going to see what's inside. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito ipapaliwanag ng maigi, ng mahusay, ng mabilis, ng maayos. Kaya nagre-rely na rin ako sa Google. Talagang binasa ko muna bago ko sabihin kung ano yung tama dito para hindi naman tayo magkakamali. So, Cragside is a Victorian Tudor Revival country house near the town of Rothbury in Northumberland, England. This was the home of William Armstrong, first Baron Armstrong, founder of the Armstrong Whitworth Armaments firm, an industrial magnate, scientist, philanthropist, and inventor in the hydraulic crane and the Armstrong gun. Armstrong has displayed his inventiveness in the domestic sphere, making Cragside the first house in the world to be lit using hydroelectric power. So sa laktod na pagkaistorya ato ning binisayon, isa itong just to give you my perspective or point of view para madali nyong maintindihan at maunawaan kung sa Pilipinas pa ito yung tinatawag nating ancestral house. But here in UK, yung may-ari nito is napakalaking influential family, mayaman. Gaya nga ng sinabi ko, isa silang sikat at tanyag na mga prominent family dito sa UK. Kung gaano sila kayaman, immeasurable yung kanilang yaman. Hindi tulad ni Elon Musk na madaling sabihin na ganito siya kayaman sapagkat shares and stocks yung binibilang. But this property cannot be measured by wealth. Pagmamay-ari ito ni William Armstrong family. Okay, to put things into perspective, halimbawa, example, sila yung may-ari ng Manolo Fortich Bukidnon. Dahil sa sobrang yaman nila, unti-unting binibigay nila yung mga lupa, yung property nila sa mga tao, sa government, until yung nanatili nilang property is parang buong dahilayan. Ganun pa rin kalaki. At yung bahay na ito is katulad lang ng dahilayan. Meron nga silang pagmamay-ari ng lake na party pa sa kanilang lupa. Now, bakit ito binigay sa government? Sapagkat nung namatay na yung founder na si William Armstrong, yung mga anak or kapamilya niya nahirapan mag-maintain sa kanilang bahay. Sa mga naiwang kapamilya ni Armstrong, dinonate ito sa government